Hi, my name is Robin Newman. I'm the social worker at Hines for Parent and Family Engagement. Today we're going to talk about the Title I program and the importance of parent engagement. We'll talk about Title I information, the importance of parent involvement, homeschool compact, parent involvement policy, parent engagement opportunities, and finally we will end with contact information. For Title I schools, these are the 10 things you need to know. What is Title I? Title I is a federal program that provides money to help schools equalize learning opportunities of students regardless of their economic background. Why is Title I status important? Title I dollars help ensure that all children, regardless of their economic status, are given the supports they need to be successful in school. Is Hines a Title I school? Yes, J.H. Hines is a Title I school because over 95% of our students are considered to be economically disadvantaged. How much Title I money will Hines receive? We should receive around $200,000. Number 5, how does Hines spend Title I money? Last year, Hines used Title I funds on salaries, professional developments for teachers and staffs, economic resources, instructional materials and supplies, and informational materials for parents. Are all our parents Title I parents? Yes, all Hines parents are Title I parents because all of our students benefit from Title I funding. What rights do I have as a Title I parent? To receive communication in your native language to the extent that is possible, know your child's teachers and paraprofessionals' qualifications, be notified if your child receives instruction for 4 or more weeks from a teacher who is not highly qualified, access federal report cards, student achievement reports, and school's campus improvement plan. What rights do Title I parents have? Continue. Be involved in your campus decision-making, including the development of the Homeschool Compact, Parent Involvement Plan, Campus Improvement Plan. You will receive a copy of the Homeschool Compact and Parent Involvement Policy. You'll conference with your student's teacher about the school compact and your student's progress. Participate in the Campus Decision-Making Committee, which determines Campus Improvement Plan. Number 8. What is the Homeschool Compact? Homeschool Compact is a written agreement between the school, parent, and student that outlines each stakeholder's responsibilities in promotion of academic achievement. This document is typically shared with parents at open house Title I meeting and is discussed during fall parent conferences. Number 9. What is Parent Involvement Policy? The Parent Involvement Policy is a written agreement developed by parents and schools that outlines how parents can take an active role in the education of their children. This document is typically shared with parents at the Title I meeting and is posted on our website. How can parents get involved? Campus Decision-Making Committee is held quarterly. Family Involvement Nights, which will look a little different this year. School celebrations, which will also look a little different this year. Parent-teacher conferences during the fall. Your student's teacher should be contacting you soon.